If you're looking for a drill bit to bore clean, fast holes, then man, do I have the drill bit for you. So here it is. It's made by a company called Wood Owl, and I found this company when I needed to drill all of these holes in my workbench. They're each 1 inch by 3 inch deep holes. So what makes this boring bit different than a standard boring bit? It comes down to two things really. The Wood Owl bit has a brad point tip, unlike the other boring bit that has a screw type tip. The screw type tip helps to really drive the bit through the material, producing a very fast cut but not very clean. So the brad point doesn't drive the bit, but it helps to guide it through the material. The second thing then is the leading edge of this bit is very different than the leading edge of this bit, giving the Wood Owl bit the advantage because they've designed it in such a way that it enters and exits the material cleanly. Bottom line, this bit is amazing and it made drilling all these holes really easy. So let's take a look at this thing in action and compare it to a few other bits that I have here on the table. All right, let's go ahead and chuck our drill bit up and drill a sample. So clean on this side, and on this side, look at that. That drill bit is extremely fast and clean, despite some of these little fragments because of my error. It did a great job. The other options I have on the table are a hole saw. Hole saws obviously are great for making holes. They're a little bit slow and you have an issue with how deep you can drill. The other thing I have is a spade bit. Spade bits are crazy fast, but they're also very messy. And the last thing I have is a Forstner bit. Forstner bits are very clean. They make really precise holes. They can be a little bit slow, that's the only problem. So the only thing I have left on the table that somewhat compares to the Wood Owl bit is this bit that I originally showed you. It's an auger type bit. It's fast. It's clean as it enters the material, but as it exits, it doesn't do a very good job. So let's go ahead and chuck this thing up and compare it to the Wood Owl bit. All right, so we'll just take this one out. Put this one in, and I'm going to drill a hole right next to the other one so you can see exactly what happens. Ready? Whoa, that was worse than I thought. Well, because of this bit's design, they typically don't exit the material cleanly. As you can see, they just weren't designed for it. Now, I could have made this a little bit cleaner by allowing the bit to do more work. Plus, this bit's a little bit old, but even in the best conditions, these types of auger bits have a hard time keeping it clean. Well, there you have it. That's a quick look at the Wood Owl bit and how it performs. Now, by no means is it a perfect bit, or this was a perfect comparison of auger bits, but if you need to make fast, clean holes, then you definitely want to check out this bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.